Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2018 Lincoln MKX and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we'll cover 2018 Lincoln MKX location, provide a fuse diagram, and explain each fuse's role to help you troubleshoot and maintain your vehicle's electrical systems. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2018 Lincoln MKX controls power windows, door locks, climate control, infotainment, and keyless entry. It also manages critical safety systems like airbags and interior lighting. Checking the fuse box is essential for troubleshooting electrical issues. Power distribution box. The power distribution box in the 2018 Lincoln MKX controls key systems such as engine management, headlights, and the cooling fan. It also supplies power to the ABS, battery, and other critical components. Inspecting it is essential for addressing electrical issues. Power distribution box bottom. The bottom section of the power distribution box in the 2018 Lincoln MKX houses relays and high current fuses that control major systems like the starter, alternator, and cooling fan. It ensures proper power flow to essential vehicle functions and protects against electrical overloads.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.